So we're going to tell you a little bit about the end stage. Deadline for registration is tomorrow, and we put our packets together. We know what we're going to do. We're chicks on a mission, and
we had a really good time stamping today.
Yeah,
we did something really fun. Yes.
Yeah.
We actually took the projects that you're going to be getting, and we cut all of the paper for them, and we actually swapped just the paper pieces and the accessories we used, and then we recreated a card using our stamp set. So I have Bonanza Buddies, she has Tropical Oasis, and you have Best Dressed, the Best Dressed Suite. And so we had made all of our projects, and then we swapped, and it was super duper fun. It was very rewarding, because you don't think that those pattern color combinations go together, but they really came out well. So we're excited.
We're impressed
with ourselves anyway. We don't know if you're going to be impressed, but we are highly impressed.
So when I show you my dressed cards and I demo them for you and show you what I did, then I will show you what Cheri and Tanya did with the exact same product and different stamp sets, which is one of the things that we do a lot for our camps and classes. Is, we'll take product, we end up with excess of product or something that we think doesn't go together, or we see a card that we really like and we may not have that stamp set. We'll take that same design. And also in the back of the catalog, they have a couple of pages, and they call it
four something. One concept, 4 ways, or
no, that's not it.
And so the one concept 4 ways is one of the things we're going to do too, and we've all picked one of the concepts. So again,
I can show you the inside of the catalog.
Yeah, she finally can. So what it'll do is this image is stamped the same way 4 times and put on 4 different mediums. So we're going to do that too, and we're excited to show you how that's done, because again, there's a lot of times we don't have what the stamp set the other person has, and we adjust it because we like the design.
Yep. So we knew for sure that when we picked 3 stamp sets that not everybody would like all 3 stamp sets. And so if you didn't want to buy them, like when you get your packets, there will be 12 projects. So like you'll get all your different little 12 project
12
things
packets
like this. This isn't all 12 of them, but it's some of them. So for example, like you might get this, and obviously this is for Dress to Impress. Is that what it's called? But then I took this and I made
Best Dressed.
Best Dressed. Yeah, I can't remember.
Know.
I took my Tropical Oasis stamps, and I made a super duper cute card with this. So that way, if you don't ever want to get the Best Dressed stamps, you can still make a really cute thing with this. And Tanya will have shown you one just with these papers with her birthday bonanza. So it doesn't mean that you have to have all 3, but you can use what's in here.
And frankly, you could use another stamp set,
because you can do the exact same thing.
Because you do the same thing.
Yep. But then, of course, the one that it goes with them is going to be super cute, because that's what's designed to go with. So that's kind of what we're doing with 9 of the projects, and then the other 3 are kind of surprises.
And one is home decor, one is jewelry, and
one's a 3D item.
One's a 3D item. Yep.
And one of them has kind of to do with this. So I have this card. So everybody's going to get some of the. It's probably your voicemails.
No, it says, what is Tanya using?
Oh.
Like, is that the Venmo?
Oh, what am I using? It's a Mevo camera.
I don't get those messages.
M-E-V-O, Mevo. And my iPad. There's an app that you connect it with your phone or your iPad, and that's how we can see us on screen in front of us. And it also gives us the up close, so you can see a little more up close to what our projects are. And then you can also scroll out. So that's really worked very well for us.
It gives the room a little bit of a curve that it doesn't actually have. But we like the way it works much better than
up close,
messing with our phones.
Yeah, because it was never filming horizontally at the right time. It was always wanting us to turn our phones, and it was kind of bad.
And we were like this in the pictures.
The phones just made us want to like drink,
poke our eyes out. Yeah,
it wasn't happy.
Drink all of them.
Okay, so you had some more things you were sharing with us, Cheri.
Oh, the other thing that I went, because we'll have like surprise projects, because we like surprise projects. So this was one I did, and I did this at
Isn't
camp.
that cute?
And everybody liked these because these, if you haven't seen them in the catalog, they are little tins that you can bake in. So we came up with lots of things that you could bake in them. Sticky date pudding and lemon bars and chocolate chip cookies and lava cakes and brownies, and you could even do like little quiches if you were doing a
brunch
thing.
That would be cute.
Or then you could put party mix or popcorn or candy, but I put a succulent in mine because,
It's a little terrarium.
Sometimes
That's
you
so
just don't want chocolate or food. But we've been to several weddings recently where they've given
Is that not adorable? It's so cute.
little
Succulent.
succulent things as the favors. And they've all been on a table, and you take one as you leave, and then you're dressed really nicely, and your husband and everybody else in the party hands you all of the little succulents, and then you're taking them to the car in your very best dress and sitting them on your lap to travel home. So if you had these,
That's really
then they would
cute
be
idea.
covered.
Yeah.
So super cute. And I used the peaceful poppy elements. I don't know why that first word's on there. That throws me. But those are fun to do,
Really
and you could
pretty.
whip those out super, super fast. So,
Okay.
but that's one of the kind of different things that we'll show you. Just some unique ideas because we like to do different.
And Cheri has on her Indiana Pacer stuff because she's going to the
Going to the
game.
game.
And so I felt
She's
like I should
supporting.
wear mine to be supportive of it.
I didn't get the memo.
Yeah,
I don't
and then
have
it's all
a
covered up in my
I don't
jacket
have a
'cause I got
Pacers.
You know,
Out.
football's over here in Indiana. We've moved on.
Yeah.
Not in my household.
We
go on to the bitter end.
tonight. There's 2 more weekends. So was there anything else you wanted to show about or
No,
talk about
I
the
think
event?
That's it.
People have been asking us a lot of questions and asked for clarification. So we hopefully we had explained it a little bit better today. But if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us, message us. We'll give you information about it. But we're really excited about what we have to show you, what we have to share.
It's going to be a fun 24 hours. And I do want to clarify that you don't have to watch it for 24 hours.
We're not going to.
We decided that we need to have our beauty sleep. So we're going to be live from 7:30 to 11:30 on Friday, and then we'll go live on probably 6 times during the day on Saturday, I'm guessing. Just estimate it. And you'll know when you sign up for the class, you'll get a schedule of the times that we're going to be going live. And all of the make and takes will be live. So Susan will be showing you all dressed up sweet on one. She'll do one project, and then we'll talk about the other alternate projects. And then maybe we'll do one of those on Friday night, one session, and then we'll do we'll do the rest of them on Saturday. And then we've got all kinds of stuff. We're going to talk about organizing your craft stuff and what else can you do with stamps and other crafts that we know you love because you see something cute and you're like, oh my gosh, I just need to make it. And so how we incorporate that into our life.
Yeah,
and
we
different
may
things.
start out Saturday morning like at one of our houses. Like you may start out at my home.
Yeah,
and I'll show
may
you some
travel
feed
and
projects and what my office looks like and a little bit of that. And then we'll go over to Cheri at her house and she can do it. And then Tanya will do her house while we're traveling here or something like that.
yeah.
So
We haven't really figured that out yet, but it'll
we
be
have
fun.
a lot of those fun
We
things to
promise
show
it will
you.
be fun.
So
Yeah, but nobody has to sit for 24 hours. And we do know there are some groups where they are getting together, like girlfriends are getting together, and they're going to just kind of be together themselves and stamp. So like if you're doing that with your girlfriends, maybe each of you buy just one of the sets. So you all don't have to have them. So pick which one you like the best. And then you can share the stamps, and then you all just have to have the paper packets. You don't all have to have those. But you do have to get your packet by tomorrow.
Yep.
yeah,
Customers and demonstrators alike. So
we want to get them together and get them mailed by next Tuesday, so you have them in plenty of time, because we want you have to have it a couple of days in advance, because then if you don't, we have an opportunity to get it to you. So we want to get it out in the mail in plenty of time, because we're a little bit afraid that somebody might not get it, and then we'll be going live and you don't have it, and you didn't have a chance to tell us. So
yeah, we want you to have it in time that
Plenty of
you'll
time.
have time to get it like out and kind of like lay it with what hours they go with, and so you'll be organized.
yeah, because that agenda will come with the packet
Yeah.
of papers, so you'll know exactly what times we're going to do everything. So. All right.
any questions?
Nope.
They're not
No
showing
questions.
up on mine. I
Yeah,
didn't
it's not
get the
showing up
other.
on mine either. Like I had more messages
I
before. and
hope
now
we're
it's
still
not.
connected.
We
and
are. It says we're still live, but I don't have it.
Yeah, I can
So.
see us moving. but-
Okay.
We're moving.
All right. Well,
All right, guys.
Thanks a lot. We appreciate it. Have a great week, and we'll talk to you next. We'll be live again next Monday.
Woohoo!
I know it's
See
a
you then.
holiday.
Bye.
Bye.
That heart box is so cute. Every time I look at it.